How to sign up for OpenAI ChatGPT. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this very quick and easy video. So all you basically got to do is simply search for ChatGPT. You'll get this website over here, openai.com. And once you click on this, you will see this. Now this is sort of like a brief introduction what it's all about. But all you basically want to do is try ChatGPT. Now this will bring you over to a new page. It might load a bit longer for you, where they'll check your browser if you're not a bot or whatever. I already did that, so for me it actually loaded pretty quickly. And here you can log in or sign up. Now you clicked in this video because you want to sign up, of course. So that's what we're going to do. So simply click on sign up. Over here you either have to just fill in your email address or continue with Google or a Microsoft account. So I'm going to fill in my email address, do the CAPTCHA real quick. So I have to do some cars, just like that, and then hit continue. Now over here you have to create a password, which I'm going to do as well. Once you've done that, simply click on continue. Now after a little while of waiting, it finally said this, verify your email. So I'm going to my email real quick, and I'm going to simply click on verify email address. And then I have to fill in my first name real quick, my last name, then click continue. Then I also have to verify my phone number, which I'll do real quick. Once you've done that, then it will load for a bit. I'll close this real quick. Well, once it finally loads, for me, I'm actually having a lot of problems with loading it, but then you'll get this, and this is a free research preview, and then they'll give you like a brief introduction. Next, we'd love your feedback, and then done. So now you have created or signed up for a ChatGPT account, which is great, and now you can go ahead and use it however you want. So I hope this video helped you out, and I'll see you next time.